Hello, if you could leave a like or subscribe to my channel or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now we've got a series free Ford here. The bottom step's long gone right hand side, so you can't actually go in and out the right hand side. But I saw a step on Marketplace for £10, so we bought that. Only thing, this is a series free, so it's a generation free pen. So it's black and it has these ribs on it. This is probably like series 1 or series 2. It's blue and it's just plain, doesn't have grips on it, but it should fit. So this step's been in place since 1989 probably. Focus, as you can see, I've got one of the bolts out, blind bolts at the back ones into the cab frame. So I did that was I loosened a bit and then I turned it back a bit, and so wiggle it back and forth and go a bit more, and hopefully it comes out. I can tap it as well, hit the hammer bottom just to try to shock the threads loose as well. You can see it's quite bad. So that's that job over, and it looks a lot more tidy than what that did. Actually use it now. Well, use it without dripping your trousers trying to get up to the second one. So those two bolts that were in the blind holes at the back then, old one chucked to scrap, and a couple new bolts. The front two it's the bolts are right to use, so that job's done. Also helicopter is flying overhead, looking at the power lines quite close. Might add a clip of that after this. Okay. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.